Hey guys, it's early. We just got started. We've got some beautiful weather today. We're happy about that. We got a double going on here. We got a neighbor, this one, and then this one over here, all on the same day. It's a really great day for us to come out here and install some awesome grass. Two awesome clients, neighbors that said that, hey, let's go both do it at the same time and our lawns will match. It'll be awesome. I guess they're buddies. So we got some awesome Zeon Zoysia grass going in. We do a lot of Zeon Zoysia grass, a lot of Palisades grass as well. And I got a confession to make. We kind of accidentally sprayed the neighbor over here a little bit. So we're going to be replacing that lawn as well. Not the whole lawn, just the area we damaged. He got a strip over here. I'm guilty. Sprayed a little bit too much, but we're going to take care of it. And so look at all that grass. Can't wait to get it all put down. The guys are rocking and rolling. Let's go back here. We can find them in the backyard where they're installing as well. We just finished doing the old level and new soil. New soil is going to help us to level the lawn. They're going to rake this out a little bit flatter and roll it, and it'll be nice and smooth. Marked all our sprinkler heads, of course. And then almost got hit by the neighbor. Let me get around this guy. So we're starting in the back, working from the back to the front yard, so we don't run the wheelbarrows over everything, of course. Just started this morning, laying some grass. Everybody's excited to be working. COVID-19, but we are essential for getting stuff done, which makes us happy. We get to keep working. Got some grass going in here. Of course, this was a little bit shady of an area. It's got a tree up here kind of blocking a little bit. But we have enough sunlight to give us 3 to 4 hours, and he's got actually a lot more than that. Putting this grass down, it's going to be nice and healthy, where he has not had a lawn in the last 5 years because his Bermuda grass didn't enjoy it. Didn't enjoy that little bit of shade that he got. So obviously we're gonna put our squares nice and tight together, try to eliminate any of those open seams. That helps our grass grow together real fast and lets, that first mow come a little faster and eliminates all that surface area so the air gets in there and dries out the edges and stuff. When we plant the grass all nice and tight, we kind of eliminate that stuff. So we got guys working everywhere, hustling. We got hustlers working for us. Look at this guy. Hustling up the grass, baby. So I like to mess with the guys a little bit. What's your job here today, Trevor? What you about to do?
I'm about to sharpen these so we can cut this grass.
Sharpen up the old machetes?
Yeah.
Can't have too many machetes, guys. That's the rule. Whenever you got a lot of guys, you need a lot of machetes, a lot of wheelbarrows, a lot of shovels. Of course, you need a lot of grass to satisfy 2 clients on the same day. Anyways, Zeon Zoysia grass is a great, awesome grass. You guys should definitely consider putting some Zeon Zoysia grass or Palisades Zoysia grass. Any type of Zoysia grass is better than Bermuda, better than St. Augustine. It's just a healthy, awesome grass. Come to our website, zoysiasod.com. Learn why we think it's so awesome, and you can check it out. We got some other installs going on there. We have some start to finish jobs. So if you want to see what our jobs look like when they're finished, watch those videos. Maybe we'll check in back here later on today after this job is complete and you can see what it looks like. Adios.